Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. When it comes to drones, few brands dominate the market quite like DJI. Known for pushing the boundaries of innovation, DJI has consistently delivered exceptional products, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is no exception. However, with all the buzz surrounding this latest release, the critical question remains. Does it live up to the hype, or is it another gadget promising the world but falling short? In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the DJI Mini 5 Pro's features, performance, and whether it truly deserves its reputation as a game-changer in the drone industry. The drone market. A competitive landscape. The world of drones has evolved dramatically, transitioning from niche tech toys to essential tools for professionals and hobbyists alike. With every new release, manufacturers claim to revolutionize the market, but not all deliver on their promises. DJI, however, has earned its place as an industry leader, setting standards with its cutting-edge technology. The DJI Mini 5 Pro enters this competitive landscape with ambitious goals, combining portability, power, and performance in a compact package. But does it succeed in standing out? Unboxing the Mini 5 Pro. First impressions. Straight out of the box, the DJI Mini 5 Pro grabs attention with its sleek and lightweight design. At just under 250 grams, it's light enough to slip into a backpack, making it an ideal companion for creators on the move. Despite its small size, the Mini 5 Pro promises features that rival larger, more expensive models, including a 48-megapixel camera, advanced flight modes, and an impressive 31-minute flight time. On paper, these specifications are impressive, but how do they perform in real-world scenarios? Let's dive deeper into the details. Camera quality. A creator's dream. One of the most talked about features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its upgraded camera. DJI has equipped the Mini 5 Pro with a larger sensor compared to its predecessor, the Mini 4S. This upgrade significantly improves image quality, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. 48-megapixel resolution. The camera's 48-megapixel resolution is a standout feature, catering to content creators who demand professional-grade visuals. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, tracking moving subjects, or capturing cinematic aerial shots, the Mini 5 Pro delivers. Its enhanced dynamic range ensures footage is rich with clarity and depth, making colors pop and details stand out. From bright daylight to twilight, the camera performs exceptionally well, meeting the needs of both amateurs and professionals. Real-world performance. In practical scenarios, the camera shines. It's particularly effective for travel vloggers, real estate professionals, and filmmakers who require stunning aerial shots without investing in bulkier drones. Flight time. Unparalleled freedom. Battery life is a crucial factor for drone enthusiasts, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro delivers in spades. With a claimed 31-minute flight time, the Mini 5 Pro provides extended exploration opportunities. Real-world tests confirm an average of 29 to 30 minutes of uninterrupted flight under normal conditions, a major improvement over many competitors. This extended flight time is invaluable for capturing detailed shots during prolonged sessions. Whether navigating dense forests or soaring above mountain ranges, the Mini 5 Pro ensures creators can focus on their vision without constant recharging interruptions. Portability and ease of use. Designed for everyone. The Mini 5 Pro's compact and lightweight design is more than just a convenience. It's a testament to DJI's commitment to accessibility. The drone is easy to transport and even easier to operate. User-friendly setup. The setup process is seamless, allowing users to get started within minutes. Intuitive controls ensure even beginners can master flying the drone quickly. 4 seasoned pilots. Customizable settings enable precise control and advanced maneuvers. Dual-level functionality. This dual functionality, catering to both novices and professionals, makes the Mini 5 Pro a versatile tool. Whether capturing casual family moments or working on high-stakes projects, it offers a simple yet satisfying experience. Intelligent flight modes. Creativity elevated. The Mini 5 Pro's intelligent flight modes are game-changers, taking the guesswork out of aerial videography and enabling users to produce dynamic, professional-quality content with minimal effort. Active Track. Active Track allows the drone to lock onto a subject and follow it seamlessly, maintaining smooth, stable footage. Master Shots Mode. Another standout feature, Master Shots Mode, automatically stitches together a series of movements to create polished cinematic videos. These features are especially beneficial for content creators looking to elevate their production quality without spending hours in post-production. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? While specifications are impressive, real-world performance is the true test of any drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro not only meets expectations but often exceeds them. Stability in challenging conditions. Even in windy environments, the drone remains remarkably stable, delivering smooth footage with minimal jitter. Its responsive controls allow for precise navigation, making it suitable for intricate shots in tight spaces. Extended range. The improved range ensures a reliable connection even when the drone is operating at its limits. This reliability allows users to focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about losing control or signal. Who is the Mini 5 Pro for? The DJI Mini 5 Pro appeals to a wide range of users. Beginners. Its user-friendly design makes it an accessible entry point into aerial photography. Content creators. High-quality visuals and intelligent flight modes are ideal for elevating video production. Professionals. Portability combined with professional-grade features makes it a practical choice for fieldwork. Limitations. What it lacks. Despite its many strengths, the Mini 5 Pro has a few drawbacks. Price point. The advanced features come at a premium, which may deter casual users. Battery life. While impressive, carrying extra batteries is advisable for extended shoots. Verdict. Is it worth the investment? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than an incremental upgrade. It redefines what compact drones can achieve. With its powerful camera, extended flight time, and intelligent features, it's an excellent investment for anyone serious about aerial photography or videography. However, like any tech purchase, the final decision depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're seeking a drone that balances portability with professional-grade capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro is a top contender.